So we're gonna start with incrementation. So basically, incrementing a variable is very important, and it's mostly used in loops. We use it to loop an array. So let's go like I equals to 5. Incrementing basically means adding 1. So let j plus plus 5 should be 6. What this means is we are adding 5 plus 1. So 1 equals to the log j should be 6. Now I made a mistake. Okay, so it should be I. Bear with me. So okay, 6. So let's decrement. That's decrementation. As we all know, we are doing 1. So let I equals to 5, and let j equals to minus I, which should give us 4. That's the dot log j, and let's see, which is 4. So that's all for incrementation and decrementation. Jesus.